Create letter photo collages in Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So first things first that we're going to do here is we're going to actually first get a shape over here. So simply go into your elements over here, get a shape, click on all over here. There we go. So just take one of these, doesn't matter what color, and then you're going to click on text over here and then just simply choose any font that you prefer. So for us, we could use something like this, something simple as you can see. Then we're going to remove all effects over here, just like that, and we're going to make it color white. So go change this to white. There we go. Enlarge this big enough. There we go. And you're just simply going to download this as an image. Now after you have downloaded this as an image, you should then be able to have something like this. So now we're going to overlap it with our images over here, and we're going to use the background remover. By doing so, we will be able to remove our white sections, and to remove the orange over here, you're just simply going to click on edit, click on duotone, custom, change this to white. There we go. Then just simply enlarge it big enough to cover our canvas over here. There we go. So that's basically it, guys. If you want to be able to try something like this out on your own, you guys could check out the link in the description to be able to check out our free 30-day free trial for our Canva Pro, and you will then be able to easily create something as simple as this. Now after you do this, what you can just simply do is you can now simply click on share over here in the top right, click on download, and select a specific page, which is of course our last one over here. You could also do a transparent background, click on download, and now we should have our collage over here with a letter shape. So there we go, as you can see. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.